Alright, so I have a Kohler 24 horse, 7 1/4 cc. We're going to change the oil on this girl. There's your oil filter, passenger side. I bought this unit brand new. I've probably cut the lawn, I don't know, 10 times or so with it. So I bought this kit on Amazon. I want to say it was around 40 bucks. It came with the oil spill pad, 2 quarts of 1030 Kohler oil, Kohler filter, and this little funnel dicky that'll go around your oil filter to help catch the oil in there so you don't spill everywhere. There's the filter part number, 1205001-S. Genuine. I think this filter's a little smaller than factory, which is what a lot of the complaints were online with this kit. Nah, it's the same. I don't know what people are talking about, but whatever. So I'm gonna get started on this. I'm gonna twist this filter off here, and then I will look for the old drain hole, which I don't really know where that is on this thing, but I will find it and I will let you know. All right, so here's your oil drain. This tube right here comes out from the side of the block, comes through the frame and dumps right there. So I'm gonna need 2 wrenches on that. I'll get you the sizes for it. Just to avoid a spill on this side, I'm gonna put this oil mat down underneath the filter that they supply, just so it does not make a mess. I'm probably gonna need filter pliers for that, because that thing is on there good. So let me go grab that, grab a drain pan, grab 2 wrenches. All right, so it's a little hard to show you, but this thing is on there very good. So I just used 2 adjustables and put them together. So I'm just gonna let this drain out. But again, this is very tight, so don't be afraid to crank on it. Obviously, just make sure you're going in the right direction so you don't strip it. Oil still looks clean and beautiful. I don't see any metal shavings or anything, so that's always a plus. So I'll let that drain while I grab this filter. Here's my rubber filter wrench here. I'll try and get a good angle for you. Sorry, it's a little tough. How's the ground? Sorry about that. Alright, so here's my strap wrenches on here. Again, the filter, the hole tighten this thing, so there you go. She might be loose. We shall see. Oh my god. Freaking guys at Kawasaki are like, yeah, I don't want people to change the oil on this thing. Let's make sure it's super fucking tight. So break your hand off. Put it on backwards again. Okay. Man, this is going so well. So it sucks with a phone trying to hold it and do 2 things at once. So you get the gist of it here. Put the strap wrench on, get the filter off, okay? All right, so filter's loose now. Let's just see what kind of mess this makes. Make sure you turn it up as quickly as possible, just so you don't make a serious mess, because all that'll come out. This little filter condom does not work, by the way. It's too small for the filter. So whatever. Valiant effort. Just didn't work out. So here's the new filter. Just threads back on. You do want to usually lubricate the O-ring with some of the leftover oil. Just do hand tight. Not Kawasaki specs. Here's the old J-rag, caught all the oil so there's no mess. I'm going to let this finish draining, and then we will fill the system via the old dipstick tube here. Ooh, yeah, we care about this. California, pretty soon just electric lawnmowers, because Callie knows best. What do we know? Alright. Alright, now that she's done draining, you can reinstall the drain plug, like so. I'm going to put my 2 wrenches, I just use 2 adjustables, and tighten that up. And then from the dipstick tube, you're just going to fill the oil. It takes 2 quarts, so I'm going to pour both in, and we'll be done. Check the oil for good measure. Check the dipstick. She's above the 2nd dot, so I'm happy with that, and she's good to roll. Quick, I don't know, 10-minute oil change.